Welcome to Magnuson Farms. Alright you guys, we're down to the last couple acres for this 2021 soybean harvest. Should be finishing up here in about 20 minutes or so, probably more like 10 minutes actually. And we got the corn head over here. This field's actually split in half, so we should plan on we're starting corn tonight. So yeah, stick along you guys. Alright, here's the last pass. There we go. That's the last of the beans for 2021. Last unload of beans. Just got that truck loaded. So I'll go ahead and I'll get that combine switched over for corn and then get going. Just got the bean end unhooked. So I'll go ahead and take the combine over there where the corn head is. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Hook that up and switch the combine over. So Dad's making his first pass. So got this combine switched over, ready for corn. I didn't film that because I was in a hurry. We wanted to get this started tonight. Hopefully get all the end rows off tonight and then hit her hard tomorrow and get this whole thing knocked out tomorrow. Smaller chance I'll be taking school off, hopefully, because I don't want to go. Just depends on what Mom says, so yeah. Alright, so while Dad's starting combine, I'm going to go ahead and measure a couple of cobs here. Just got to measure this so that we know where to set our concaves. And yeah, that one's right about 23 right there, so I'll tell him 23, 22. Alright, so since we're just getting started on corn, I'm going to go check the ground, make sure we got the combine set right. And I'll show you how I do that. Alright, so it's pretty basic stuff. Just pull away all the corn stalks and husks. Look in the ground. See if you see in the corn like that. Just one. And also, we like to go out here in the other rows and you can see a lot better on the ground, which I hardly see anything. So I'll look a little more, see if I can find anything, and then I'll let Dad know. I thought the ground looked pretty good, so I'm heading the other end, go dump unload Dad. We've done quite a bit of adding rows now. Got about half a grain cart, maybe a little over, so I'm gonna get out here and check the ground again, make sure that's good to go. Looking at that, that's a pretty decent sized ear. Probably 14 around, that's pretty long. So far, pretty impressed with how dry it was this year for how good the corn is. So I'll go ahead and check the ground here and then I'll go sit in the tractor. Got one done. Just pulled into the next one. Getting her opened up. Looks like it's gonna be dang good corn, so hopefully it sticks to that potential.
Currently it's 8-4. Let's get ready. Let's do it.
I'm gonna go ahead and check the ground because the first place I'm gonna check is behind the corn head. We'll see if there's any shatter loss, which there's definitely some there. So for that, I'll try closing the deck plates a little more. I have them open a little bit, so there's not much you can do about that. The next spot I'll look is behind the combine. Make sure the combine is getting it all. And first place I'll look is out here. See if I see any out in the rows, which I don't see hardly any, if any at all. I'll check the other side. I don't see anything except that one right there. I'll check the ground then, back here a little bit. It doesn't look too bad. I think a lot of that's coming from the corn head, so I'm gonna go check those deck plates a little bit and then keep taking the ends off. So to move the deck plates in, all you gotta do is push on the joystick in and move that gauge down there in. Go ahead and throttle up and you're good to go. Running about 5 mile an hour, 4.7 basically. So I'll make sure I don't get a bunch of trash in the corn head. If I do, then I'll open the deck plates back up a little bit. But yeah, so far it's going dang good. Alright, well I think we're shutting down for the night. Elevator is closed down and we're out of truck space. We're bringing everything home tonight because it's supposed to rain tomorrow and Friday. So if you guys enjoyed the video, check out my other ones. I have a few other harvest videos. And yeah, so until the next video, Manson Farms out.